How can you is used to ask how it is possible for someone to do something. Examples. How can you say that to me? How can you make this taste very creamy and cheesy? How can you finish solving this math problem in 5 minutes? How can you speak English so fluently? How can you look so fresh even after getting off work? How can you speak confidently in front of a large audience? How can you guess what I was thinking? How can you be a cook and stay slim at the same time? How can you sing that song so beautifully?